GEA, Global Equity Advisors, rewriting asset allocation for the informed investor. Does your advisor use old-fashioned methods of diversification? Can your advisor measure diversification of your portfolio? What can't be measured can't be managed. What can't be managed can't be improved. GEA employs G-Sphere, the only technology available today to not only measure, but manage and improve diversification of your portfolio. See why the father of modern portfolio theory and Nobel Prize winner Harry Markowitz describes G-Sphere as spectacular. Join the growing number of investors who trust their money with GEA, the next generation of portfolio engineering. Take the first step for improving diversification in your portfolio. It's your money. Shouldn't you demand true diversification? For a complimentary portfolio review using the latest patented diversification technology, contact GEA Sphere Advisors. Measure, manage, and improve diversification of your portfolio with GEA Sphere Advisors. Discover our proprietary investment selection process by calling GEA Sphere today at 401-351-4900. Put your mind over money now with GEA Sphere.